Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today I have a lovely recipe for you and it's mince beef pasta bake. And my ingredients are mince beef, grated cheese, pasta bake sauce, creamy and tomato herb, penne pasta, carrots and red pepper. So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is add the minced beef into a Pyrex dish. So once that's done, then we're going to put it in the oven for approximately 15 minutes for it to cook. So we're going to cook it until it's a nice light brown colour. So I've just put my oven on 150 degrees, so it's nice and hot, ready for the minced beef. So while the minced beef is cooking, I'm going to chop the top and the bottom off the carrots and then I'm going to grate them. And so there we have the carrots all nicely grated. So what I'm going to do next now is I'm going to chop the red pepper. And so there we have our pepper sliced. So now I'm just going to go back and check and see how the minced beef is doing. I'm just taking the mince out of the oven after 15 minutes of cooking. So you can see that there's some juice, there's the fat from the minced beef. So I'm just going to drain all that out. And then I'm going to come back and add in the penne pasta. So now all the fat is drained out, so I'm ready for it to add in our pasta. So I'm just covering over the top of the dish with the pasta, and now I'm going to mix it in with the minced beef. And then I'm going to add in the pasta bake sauce. So the jar is 3/4 full. So I'm going to use all the jar. And then we're going to mix the sauce in with the pasta and the minced beef. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the jar and I'm going to fill it with boiling water. So I'm just going to fill it until it's halfway full. And then I'm just going to put the lid on and give it a shake around for it to get all the sauce off the edging of the jar. And then I'm going to pour it in over the pasta and mince. And then we're going to give this a mix around. So we want the pasta for it to be absorbed in with the sauce so that it can become nice and soft while cooking in the oven. And so now I'm also ready for it to add in the grated carrot. And also the red peppers. And again, mix it all in together. And so now I'm going to put this in the oven and leave it there for 15 minutes before I take it out and check and see how it's doing. So altogether we should probably have it cooking for approximately 30 to 40 minutes before it's fully ready. Now, so there we are, ready to go in the oven. So I've just taken it out of the oven after another 15 minutes of cooking. So I'm just going to give it a good stir around for it to make sure that all the pasta is covered in the sauce. Because if the pasta is not covered over with the sauce, we might have hard bits, so we want to avoid doing that and make sure that the pasta softens up really nicely. So now I'm going to put it back in the oven and I'm going to check it now after every 10 minutes and make sure I give it a good stir. So now I'm just giving it another stir after another 10 minutes of cooking. So this time I'm going to cover it over with tin foil before I put it back in the oven. So there it's covered over, and it's going to go back in the oven for another 10 minutes. So about another 15 minutes and then it should be ready. So now just remove the tin foil. And we're going to give it a stir around. So I'm just going to check and make sure that the pasta is nice and soft. So it is nice and soft now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add on the grated cheese. So I'm just covering over the top, and then I'm going to put this back in the oven and let the cheese melt on it for another 3 minutes. So now you can see the cheese is all nicely melted over it. So it's all cooked now. All I have to do is serve up on a plate. And so there's our minced beef and pasta bake, all nicely cooked. So if you like this video, please do like and subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great day.